Oh, Dan O'Brien has. Hey, we need a light. Alright, get into the light. Get into the light.
What am I doing here?
You are feeding the dog a cicada off of your tongue. Get into the light. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Alright. This is a cicada.
Are you on record?
Yeah.
Alright, back up a little bit.
Dude, we have no light. I need light. Alright, I got you. I got you.
Hold on, I'm gonna put a little light. As you guys know.
That's good.
Alright, yeah, I'm Dan O'Brien. It's Sunday morning, I just woke up. I'm not drunk at all, and this is a fucking little cicada.
You hear it?
No, don't
I
get
just
all
want to get it
close.
zoomed in. It's gnawing it.
Yeah, it sounds like Nora Jones.
Gotta love the music in the background too.
Morgan, go over there. Go over there.
Alright,
Back up.
what are you gonna do?
I am going to feed Morgan a tasty treat off my tongue.
Tasty. Morgan. Morgan, what the fuck? Go over there.
Morgan.
Come here, Morgan. Sit.
Morgan! Morgan, come here.
Ah! That's so good. That is fucking gross.